Hey everyone, it's Alex with Tucker USA, and in this video we're going to talk to you about the Tucker Glide Brush. So what is the Tucker Glide Brush? It is Tucker's latest made in America brush that's full synthetic. While it does have the appearance of a boar hair brush and also some similar traits such as full length trim and aggressive scrubbing nature, it doesn't have any of the cons of a boar bristle brush. Namely, it doesn't shed and it doesn't wear down. So this brush will be a longer lasting brush that will give you that nice aggressive scrub. Additionally, it doesn't hold on to dirt as a boar hair brush. Because it doesn't shed and hold on to that dirt, you can actually clean with the proper technique on the glass. So you can scrub on the glass and rinse on the glass. Another feature that is beneficial is that it actually glides across the glass surface. So if you're cleaning a regularly maintained glass, it will not drag across that surface. So this brush will be available in two sizes, our standard and our XL. Standard is typically for residential and XL for commercial and solar panels. It also comes in our lock system, so you can quickly lock it into your gooseneck, or in our Alpha series brush line that has the rinse bar, the swivel gooseneck, and the shaft that lock into your Tucker pole. This also comes with 4 pencil jets standard, and these pencil jets are plumbed in line. If you have any questions about the Tucker Glide Brush, feel free to reach out to us at tuckerusa.com. Thank you.